What's up, YouTube? Coming at you here. We got a new little project for today. Trying to stay busy during all this quarantine stuff, so was looking online, checking out things, and came across something for my son that I feel like would be fun to go ahead and get him into. I got my first dirt bike when I was 6 years old, Honda 50cc. Didn't get him quite as nice of a bike because I want to make sure he's actually into it and will take to it. So we went ahead and was looking online, and I was searching for about 2 days trying to find. Dang dog's gonna really ruin my video. So we got a little bit of a hole right there. I don't know what that is. Hopefully everything's okay. Another little hole there. Nice. Junk. Tools, hardware. Box is halfway apart. Cool. Handlebars aren't attached yet. Let's see. Sticker pack, it looks like. Front tire. Alrighty. Seat actually feels pretty comfy. Nice for the gas tank. I hope there's an actual plug. I'm assuming that's gonna be right here. Let's check. Alright. Not sure what that is, honestly. Front fender intact. Sand it down or something. Mixing for your oil. Basic tools for your handlebars, I'm guessing. Fuel line. Gotta undo these foot pegs. I'm gonna cut myself. Before we even ride this, we're gonna tighten up all the bolts and make sure everything's good with that. Just put them in there. Here's your kill switch. Tie this right up to your child, and you know, if they fall off, they'll boop, kill the motor. That's pretty nice to have. Yeah. Those hand tight. It's an easy bike to put together, man. Had it together 30 minutes or less probably, but I'm fooling around just making sure everything's on here good. I'm gonna go and tighten everything up way more. I'm just doing stuff for now. All right. Okay, found the gas cap. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is rear suspension. You need these two bolts right here. Hand tighten that for now. Beautiful. Take a little sip break. Cheers. What's up, guys? Here just to finish the review. 3 days later here. Been riding the heck out of it. Broke the engine in. Gone through about 5 or 6 gas tanks. My little brother has been riding the heck out of it. He's been loving it. He says it's really fast, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to go cold start it real quick. Works pretty easy. I mean, he has no problem starting it himself. I'll let him show you in a second how to start it, but first you know, make sure the choke's up, make sure your fuel line's on, and give it a little gas, 1 or 2 gas, and very simple pull. You don't need to pull hard. Make sure you put the choke down afterwards. I mean, good to go. I'll let you see how easy it is. I just want to show you what it's like after it's only been on for about 5 minutes max. I mean, it's so easy to start this thing, like literally. Let me just make sure you definitely put the choke down.